All right, let's get into the strategy to get yourself in position to market to, speak with, and then list foreclosure properties using a strategy that very little of you are using up to now. It all begins, guys, in foreclosure strategy with having the right pieces of the puzzle in play. It does no good to try and start a foreclosure marketing campaign if you don't have everything in your business to help you get to a successful listing and a closing. So we're going to get into what you need to make this work. But why foreclosures? I'm glad you asked. There are a lot of them out there. The last couple of years have been really bad. People were buying homes, date the rate, but marry the home, with the hope that their 7.5% within 2 years would be at 4%. And it just hadn't happened. And so now they're finding their adjustable rate mortgages are absolutely crushing them. There's a lot of people, because of the economy, that's lost jobs, maybe had a pay cut, and things are not the way they thought they would be. And unfortunately for foreclosures, families going through it, the old adage never fails. You bury your head in the sand, hoping the hurricane would pass over and leave you unscathed. And that's not how it works. So you are in a absolutely amazing position to help some families out in your city, in your zip codes. Now, what are the pieces that you need of this puzzle? Well, number one, if I were you, I would reach out to local foreclosure and bankruptcy attorneys. Find an attorney in your town that does foreclosures, bankruptcies, and does real estate law. There's a reason for that. Reach out, talk to them, tell them that you are starting some marketing campaigns for foreclosures and you would like to funnel these families to the attorney. The goal is for the attorney, and most attorneys will do a free consult. The goal is to get people in front of the attorney so that you're showing the attorney that you are valuable, with the hopes, if he does real estate law, that you're going to be getting referrals from him for years to come. That's number one. Number two, you want an attorney that's going to be able to talk with your lead, because ultimately you're either going to help them save their home, and I've done that. Now you're a hero. Or if the attorney decides that they do need to sell it, you're going to allow them to have some law firm, a firm, to protect them from the lenders while you are trying to sell their home. So that is the first piece of the puzzle. The next thing, you need a lead source. Now, you can go to the county court records, tax records, all of that stuff. It's just too tedious, right? In the past, I've used companies like RedX. I've used companies like LandVoice, to name a few. Today, and for the last probably 4 years, I've primarily used a company called MyPlusLeads. And let me share my screen so I can show you what I'm talking about. So MyPlusLeads gives you access to expired listings for sale by owner. They allow you to augment leads. You can upload a list of leads and get their emails and phones. They do neighborhood search, pre-foreclosure. This is what we're talking about. And so you can get pre-foreclosure leads from this company, and you'll get data, you'll get emails, phone, everything. And it's only $39 a month. So why is that important? Well, you need data. And for me, I want to be able to have everything. And then on top of that, I want to be able to have a company that allows me to send those leads directly to my marketing system, which they do. So if you're interested in this type of marketing, expired, FSBOs, foreclosures, go ahead and go to myplusninja.com. It's a 30-day trial. Guys, go get you as many leads as you want. Work multiple niches. You get a closing if you can for free, no lead charge. But myplusninja.com, it's a free trial. I think you're going to like it. All right, so now we've got two pieces of the puzzle. You've got the potential law firm, the attorney that does bankruptcy, foreclosure, defense, short sale, and does real estate closings, right? We're building cake here. You've got a lead source. Then what do you need? Well, you need something to be able to send your message to. And this is where my GEO Central comes into play, guys. So we've created a system that pretty much automates the entire marketing for you. So here is part one of the GEO Central. These are foreclosure cards that we built for you. They are 100% editable. So when you get these leads from My Plus Leads and you push a button and send these over to the direct mail side, here's what you get, guys. You get cards like this. If you'll notice, these cards are not like a traditional real estate card. You know, I've said this on other videos. The traditional or typical real estate postcard company, they create designs for you, the agent. We don't. We create them as a pattern interrupt to the client. Right? That's the first card. Second card, third card, fourth card, and fifth. And so what happens, guys, when they get this card, there's a couple really awesome things when it comes to foreclosure. You want to be able to deliver a message. Now, what I didn't say at the beginning, you're also welcome to call them. It's going to be a little harder to do that with a foreclosure because most of them don't want to answer their phone. And they get a little trepidatious for door knocks because it might be a process server, right? So we found that it's best to send letters, an email, a welcome email, and then cards like this, right? So here's the front of the card. When they scan the back, here's some amazing things that are going to happen. The card says, you have options. Don't lose your home without fighting. Let me help you either save your home from being taken or your equity from being stripped. Scan the code. So guys, when they scan that code, here's what's going to happen. Immediately, you, the realtor, are going to be text Jim Smith at 123 Granite Bay, just scanned card number 1 in your foreclosure series. Here's his contact information. Go get him, right? So you're going to know in real time, tactical, real time information on people engaging your direct mail. Now, here's the other thing that's going to happen, and this is where it gets really powerful. It does no good to send them to a home evaluation page or a standard real estate agent website page. You want to send them somewhere where they can leave their information and see a video on their options. Well, we have that with GEO Central. And so what will happen, guys, when they scan that QR code, they're going to go to this page right here, right? Now, you get unlimited. You can build as many of these pages with one push of a button. The text is all editable, but you can build as many of these as you want in system for any marketing pitch you want. Now, today we're talking foreclosure. So this is what this page looks like. Stop foreclosure. Are you going through a possible foreclosure? So what's going to happen? And this is how our GEO Central is meant to get to as many foreclosures as possible and put them into your marketing funnel. As soon as they fill out that information, look where they go. They go to a landing page, part 2, with a video of you, a very quick video. Hello, my name is, thank you for doing this. That's right. You heard me right. You have options, right? And then you drop your offer. You drop your relationship with the attorneys. You try to get them active. And then you say on the video, if this is you and you want to either see if you can save your home or stop the steal of your equity, hit the button, click the button, chat with Kelly. If your name's Barbara, chat with Barbara. And let's set up a quick Zoom or phone call and let me go over your options, answer any questions you have, and see what we can do to help you guys stop being fearful, right? Blah, 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 yada, yada. Now, when they leave that information, let me come back to you. When they leave their email, phone number, and all of that to get to this video, another magical thing happens. They are going to be starting on an automated email drip within our GEO Central. And guys, I'm going to make one bold assertion, and then this is all I'm going to do to sell. My GEO Central costs less than what some of you spend at Starbucks. If you want to see the full power of GEO Central, no matter what niche you want to go after, look in the description and I'll pin a comment on YouTube. Go check out my GEO Central webinar. Even if you don't get it, it's one of the most powerful things you're going to see as an agent because it's going to open your mind to a different way of marketing, a different way of reaching out. It doesn't involve cold calling. It does not involve door knocking. It involves an automated system with the right offer to the right lead. In our methodology, our psychology, we want the clients chasing us. So when they do respond by leaving their info, they're chasing us. This is how it should be for you. This is going to relieve you of stress, and it's going to help you stay profitable. All right, guys, that is how you do it. You get the right data, connect with a local attorney if you need to set that up, get yourself a direct mail platform that can automate your messages, get yourself into a landing page marketing platform that creates your letters, your postcards, does your Facebook ads, has all your short form video done for you, and unlimited landing pages. Absolutely amazing. Get all of it working together, and start your foreclosure marketing and see what happens. Guys, foreclosures are amazing to work with. You just need to have a system in play, whether that's GEO Central or something you're currently using. Take the tips and strategies on today's video and watch what happens to your foreclosure marketing. Guys, in the last 3 months, near Claremont, Florida, 487 leads going through a possible foreclosure. I just need 10 of those a year, and that's only for a 3-month span. We get several thousand a year. I just need 10. If there's 1,000 within 50 miles of Claremont, I just need 10 of those to get my message to say, Kelly, I could use some help. Amazing. This is freedom, guys. All right. Go and look in the description. Check out the webinar to see how to automate this entire process. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Share this video on your Facebook channels. Other agents need to see this. They need to see there's a different way to market. Well, guys, that's it on this video. I appreciate you more than you know. Go and check the last 3 videos I dropped, guys. Holy mackerel, fire. I am getting so many responses from agents that they feel like this is what they've been looking for. Well, guys, we put this content out to give you tactical options. All right, that's it, guys. Until the next video, go out and get you some closings.